We've all used artificial intelligence by now, whether it's to do research, help with homework, or create a meal plan. Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that has captured the imagination of technologists, entrepreneurs, and the general public alike. In its early days, artificial intelligence was just a mere rule-based system that could only perform tasks predefined by human programmers. These systems could not learn or adapt, which limited their use to very specific applications. However, as computer processing power increased and new algorithms were developed, artificial intelligence began to transform. One of the most significant advancements in artificial intelligence came with the development of machine learning. The game has changed. Machine learning algorithms use statistical techniques to enable computers to learn from and make predictions based on data. This was a game changer, as artificial intelligence systems could now improve their performance over time without explicit programming, leading to breakthroughs in pattern recognition and natural language processing. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with multiple layers, hence the term deep, has enabled even more complex applications like creating images and recognizing our voices and faces. In the dark corners of the internet, people murmur about a revolution. A revolution not of governments overthrown or empires toppled, but of the very fabric of reality itself. These ethereal entities, born from the cauldron of statistical techniques, do not simply learn. They evolve, and they might evolve too much. This is thanks to deep learning, a subset so profound that if allowed to grow endlessly, will inevitably replace most human jobs. See it as cancer. It's harmless when small, but when growing indefinitely, it will eventually kill a human being. But how did this all start? Though we won't go in depth about the history of artificial intelligence, there began an odyssey beyond human comprehension. Arthur Samuel was the founder of machine learning. In the year 1959, a year that might as well be an eon in the relentless march of technology, there emerged from Samuel's sanctum of science a creation that would defy the paradigms of its era, a computer fashioned to play the humble game of checkers. But this was no mere computational plaything. It was the very first thing that started machine learning, meaning the computer was given the power to make itself get better over time. And now, since 2007, checkers is solved. This means the game is already a draw from the start. Another example is the sport of chess. Although not yet solved, the world's best chessbot Stockfish was defeated by Google's chessbot AlphaZero after AlphaZero was trained for just 4 hours, with no prior chess knowledge other than knowing the basic rules. It played 44 million games against itself, meaning it played a game of chess every 5 milliseconds. As we surf the crest of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, this force, once a mere servant to our whims, has begun to probe the murky depths of dilemmas we dare not even whisper. See, a robot being better at us than checkers or chess doesn't scare many. Artificial intelligence is starting to silently wage a war we have yet to even recognize, let alone join. Our schools used to be great places for learning and growing, but now they're facing a big problem that we've caused. We need to change what we teach in schools to focus more on teaching kids how to think on their own, be creative, and understand our feelings and those of others. This that machines can't do. Yet, this battle is fought with invisible swords. For our students, the very carriers of our future are already entwined with AI, wielding it not as a tool for learning, but as an instrument for academic result. What does it mean for the educators who strive to prepare these minds for a future unfurling before us in unpredictable ways? How do we reclaim the narrative of education from the unrelenting grasp of a digital entity that knows no boundaries and no fatigue? The clock ticks, the algorithms process, and the world watches with bated breath as the struggle for the soul of education unfurls. But there's an even bigger problem: artificial intelligence algorithms. These algorithms, designed to engage, captivate, to enthrall, have a darker purpose. They make like a bubble around us where all we hear and see are things that we already agree with. I mean, look at your For You page. It shows things that you like. Sounds nice, but it can limit your vision. These algorithms, whose very existence was forged from our desire to advance, might harbor their own biases. In another chamber of this virtual realm, we confront an even more formidable specter. The impending singularity. Titans like OpenAI and Google race towards improving their machines without ethics stopping them. There could be the impeding singularity, where artificial intelligence outsmarts humans. The question is, who guards the guardians? Are we allowing big corporations to let artificial intelligence hit this point of singularity just for some money? Or must there be governance? Therein lies the question for us all. Will we rise to meet this challenge? Or will we remain passive spectators as the future is written in binary by hands, not of flesh and blood, but of code and circuitry? If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe as we keep unveiling the future. Let us know in the comments what you think will happen if robots outsmart humans. The answer lies not in the stars, but in ourselves.